So my name is John Cardani-Trollinger, and I'm with Cisco, focusing on security for service providers and large-scale operators. So specifically, my role is helping our customers integrate secure solutions into their service delivery networks. We are a leader in networking and IT solutions. I think what's really important, though, is that those of us that work at Cisco are really passionate about what we do, and that is to focus on, innovation so that we can help our customers meet the demands of this constantly evolving digital transformation, so that they can create, a more inclusive and sustainable future. Biggest tech trends in the industry at the moment. I'm sure that everybody's going to answer the same way, and that's going to be, AI. We're really fortunate because we're witnessing right now one of those generational shifts in technology, right? And that is, specifically the rapid advancement and integration of, AI technologies. And this is super exciting to be, involved in it because AI is going to transform every aspect of our lives, from a business perspective and a personal perspective. It's going to touch everything, right? But from a business perspective, it's also going to introduce some really great and exciting new opportunities for everyone and our customers to automate, to enhance their security, as well as, modernize and transform how they're reaching their customers. So it's really exciting. So AI would be, the generational technology shift that we're seeing right now. So we're excited to be at IBC. We'll be in both halls, but at our stand in Hall 14 as part of the Future Tech, we're going to be showing how Cisco's at the forefront of integrating AI into our networking solutions, and not only by enhancing the capabilities of AI, but also securing it. So, for example, we're embedding AI powered security directly into the fabric of our switches. And that's important because what that means is that we'll be able to provide, a robust defense in this emerging technology against today's threats, but also as they emerge. That is a very fun question. I guess first I should say, as a rabid and enthusiastic consumer of TV, happy birthday, television. Beyond that, we could look at the future of television from two different perspectives. One is, sort of the romantic, what are we going to see? Is it going to be interactive? Is television going to be, holographic, and we're all going to be part of the action, taking, part in some sort of Marvel action movie? But I think if we take a more practical approach, if we look at what's happening in the industry right now, hyperscalers are starting to purchase media companies. So for example, remember Amazon bought MGM, right? And that's driven by a huge opportunity that is presented by large scale events. So for example, the World Cup, right? That's a perfect example of this. So these events are going to require, really advanced technology. They're going to require robust infrastructure because you're broadcasting to millions of people all at the same time. That also puts a huge target, on your network by malicious actors. So I think what we're going to see in the next 100 years is, how technology is evolving and how we're securing it, because we need to be able to embed things like AI, what we're talking about today, into those solutions for that network transformation, so that we're equipping, the organizations and our customers to meet the demands of TV in the next century. Well, this is my first IBC. I'm super excited to be there. I really think that, media and broadcasting is basically delivering services. These organizations are service providers. And in the new era of AI, service provider and media infrastructure is critical infrastructure. And, you know, I'm excited to show our customers how Cisco can help them keep it secure.